Hi, I'm Richard Byrne. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use PowerPoint's Cameo feature to put your face directly inside any of your live presentations. Let's go ahead and take a look, first of all, at where you will find this feature in PowerPoint. Go into your Insert menu, and you will see Cameo way over here on the right-hand side. It's important to point out that this is different than the video insert option, and it's different than the record option that's been a part of PowerPoint for quite a while, where you're going to be looking for the new Cameo option. Now let's go ahead and take a look at how that actually works. All right, so let's go ahead and click on the Cameo button. And we're going to see that my camera now appears in the default position of the lower right-hand corner. But I want to change that out. I want to make it a nice little circle. And we can even change out the camera shape even more. Maybe I want to use a triangle. And now there I am in a little triangle in the bottom right-hand corner. But I can drag that and put myself up here if I want. Let's change that camera shape and let's go back to a more circular shape like that one. And you can see there I can also adjust the camera border color. So let's make it blue. And if we adjust that again, we can say we want to make that camera border thicker. And so there it is. It's a little bit thicker blue line now. And we have some camera effects. Hey, let's add a little shadow effect to that. You can see now I have a little shadow. Now, if I change to a different slide, and I've done that right here, I want to click on my design ideas, and we'll see, okay, PowerPoint gives us those design ideas. If I go back into my Insert menu now and click on Cameo again, we'll see I now am back in the bottom right corner, and I want to swap that out. Let's go back over here to my circular shape, put myself over here or over here as my camera feed that will be displayed when I am presenting these slides in front of an audience. So let's say I want to go and present those slides right now. Let's take a look at how that appears to the audience. So let's make sure my camera is still turned on. And I'm in my slideshow, and let's just present from the current slide, and we'll see there I am talking right over the slide. I'm presented over the slide to my audience. You can also see there that I have my automatic captions turned on and displayed below my slide. And so there's my little camera feed, and I just clicked to end my slideshow. If I go back, there I am on that slide. And on my previous slide, my title slide, you can see my Cameo is now in the upper left corner, which is where we had placed it before. And on the other slide, I'm on the upper right corner, which is where I had placed it in the editor in that slide. So as you can see, you can have yourself appear in different places on each one of your slides. So that's a short overview of how you can use PowerPoint Cameo. As always, for more things like this, please check out freetechforteachers.com or subscribe to my YouTube channel.